I mean, the idea was incepted in my head in school by my Hindi teacher, Mr. Kalpana Shrimali. May she rest in peace. I had nothing to do with acting. और कुछ 6-7 स्टैंडर्ड में she called me out of class and she said तुम्हें dramatics करना पड़ेगा. मैंने बोला I don't know anything about acting, मैं dramatics में क्या करूँगा. So my mom is an actor, for those who do not know. So she said your mom is an actor, you will have to know acting. Plus you get to bunk classes. मैंने बोला bunk classes और क्या चाहिए. So that's where I started my journey. My roles over there was like basically स्टेज पे आके एक बॉटल रख के जाने का, थैंक यू सर बोल के निकल जाने का. उसके लिए रोज 3 पीरियड बंक, जस्ट दैट मच. दैट्स वेयर इट स्टार्टेड, बट आई वाज नेवर इंक्लाइंड इन इट. आई वाज ऑलवेज गुड एट माय स्टडीज, गुड एट अदर थिंग्स. दिस वाज नॉट समथिंग दैट आई इवन कंसिडर्ड टिल मच लेटर. माय फर्स्ट क्लास वाज विद यू व्हेन आई वाज I think 18-19, and by then I'd already worked for about 4-5 years. At the age of 15 I started working. I did multiple businesses, event planning से शुरू की, New Year parties और ये सब, clubs में events किए. Then I got into, I was one of the first guys to bring turf football to Bombay. I had one for 8 years in Ville Parle. I made 4 others for other people, developed it for them. And by the time I turned 18 I realized कि मैं job नहीं कर सकता हूँ. 9 to 5 बैठ के जमता नहीं. I need something to keep me excited and I had to move job to job. तो कहाँ project to project सब change होता है, films. So that's where I came here and I became an assistant director as an intern on Rohan Sippy's Dum Maro Dum in 2009. So then I was on set of Dum Maro Dum. Got to work with Rohan Sippy, and that was one of his good films. So Abhishek Bachchan did a good job. I learnt a lot over there, पर कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि what acting is, what filmmaking is, because जो set पे सीखते हैं वो time management और people management होता है, not really the artistic side of it. So then I went to New York to study. Again, my parents didn't allow, so I had to finish my finance degree and then apply. उनको पता नहीं था मैंने apply किया, and it was at that time there was a 3-month course. और मेरे कुछ cousins रहते थे न्यूयॉर्क में, तो मैं बोला उनके साथ रह लूँगा और फिर देख लेंगे, तो इतना खर्चा भी नहीं है. So that's where I went over there. 3 months. यहाँ का जो schooling होता है over there it was 8 AM to 5 PM. So like a full day school, और उसके बाद homework, and then you come back next day to perform all the scenes that you have done your homework on. बहुत इंटेंस था. तो न्यूयॉर्क तो मैंने देखा ही नहीं 3 महीने में इतनी पढ़ाई कर करके. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द कोर्स द टीचर ओवर देयर हु वाज आल्सो द डीन, शी इज रिटन अ बुक आल्सो ऑन एक्टिंग एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. शी सेड दैट एवरी टाइम आई कम टू द टेबल आई ब्रिंग समथिंग न्यू. एंड तभी मैंने उनको सीरियसली पूछ लिया, यार देखो मस्ती में अभी तक कर लिया, आई स्पेंड सो मच मनी ऑन एक्टिंग, बट इज इट समथिंग दैट आई शुड टेक अप एज अ प्रोफेशन और गो बैक एंड लैंड ऑन माई फीट एंड गेट अ जॉब एंड बी हैप्पी. So she said, I'll be disappointed if you don't give this an honest shot, because every time you perform you bring something new to the table, it's interesting. So I got confident. I came back and I gave a couple of auditions. My first audition, no, I came back and assisted. I came back and assisted on Ayushmann Khurrana's second film, Nautanki Sala. किसी ने देखी है? Sorry. So I assisted on that film. I learned a lot from Ayushmann because I used to do all his lines with him. So in the morning when he used to come, he used to call me to the vanity and then we used to go over the lines of all the scenes and I used to play the other character. So he recommended my name for my first audition that I had gone for. एंड तब तक तो मैंने डिसाइड भी नहीं किया था मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है. न्यूयॉर्क में मैं फिल्म मेकिंग सीख के आया, यहाँ पर असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर था और दे कॉल्ड मी टू द Jogi sir, if anyone has gone for an audition to when you he's an old timer. So I gave my first audition there. मैं घर आ गया अब ये ऑडिशन तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंटेंस स्टोरी, पर आई मेक इट शॉर्ट एंड आई टेल यू ऑल. सो बेसिकली आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट फिल्म बैक देन in maybe 2014 or something like that, and I did not know. They got the film to my parents, and my parents never thought that I was ready, so they said no. I fully dedicated myself to the craft, and I said now I will prove myself. Honestly, that motivation wasn't the right motivation. गुस्से में नहीं करना चाहिए. Do it out of love. Life becomes easier. I worked very, very hard in those years, and then used that money to do classes, and then we did classes sometime that time, and there were times that we didn't have a place. तो हम लोग ने मार्केट में जाके रोड में जू मार्केट में जाके suddenly started a scene in the middle of the market over there, जोर जोर से चिल्लाना ये वो. So well, that's where the intent, you know, जो कहते हैं ना वो कीड़ा काट लेता है, तो वो काट लिया था. But in the whole process ना of trying to prove myself, I lost confidence in myself, you know. The thing is that आपको दूसरे लोग को prove नहीं करना that you can do something. Someone might in the same room think you are the most talented, and someone else might think you have zero talent. So you don't have to prove yourself to other people. What it is that you have to understand who you are, where you come from and where you want to go. So ये journey में that is what I realized when I met my first director Vasan Bala. I auditioned for that movie 3 weeks continuously, every single day. और रोज सुबह first 3 days I didn't get an audition. First day I went, they made me sit till 6 o'clock. And they sent me back. There were too many boys to give an audition that time. Second day I went, they made me sit the whole day, and I went back. And by that time I had started my own martial arts center. I hired a place, I hired trainers, got them equipment. तो वो training चल रहा था, 100 बच्चे लोग जाते हैं, मैंने just चालू किया था तब. And my trainer gets a call कि आपके पास कोई martial arts वाले बच्चे हैं तो सबको भेज दो, हम लोग audition लेंगे. तो he came and told me, he's like, भाई आप क्यों नहीं जाते हो? मैंने बोला 2 दिन चले गया यार, I don't think लेना चाहते हो किसी को, ऑलरेडी है कोई उनके दिमाग में. नहीं आप जाओ. मैं बोला ठीक है, एक लास्ट टाइम ट्राई करते हैं. थर्ड टाइम I went, I got my audition, I gave my audition. I didn't even know I was giving it in front of Vasan sir. From then on 3 weeks I gave auditions every day, but I mean they would just make me sit 9 to 6 for 3 weeks, and at the end of every day मुझे कहते थे कल आजा कुछ करते हैं. मेरे को एक दिन ऐसे नहीं बोला कि आज अच्छा किया या एक आज खराब किया. And there were many boys and girls that we did workshops with, and by the end of it, last day पे when I went to ask Vasan sir, आपने अभी 3 हफ्तों में क्या अच्छा लगा क्या नहीं अच्छा लगा, कुछ तो बता दो. तब वो मुझे रूम में लेके गया, मुझे कहा कि you have signed it, you have got this film if you want to do it. So that was in short the मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, the story from there on. So मैं actually रोहन सिप्पी के पास गया, and I went to his office. At that time there was a small bungalow in Lokhandwala in one of the lanes, ऊपर नीचे होता था. तो मैं उनके रूम में गया, उन्होंने बोला कि अच्छा listen, do one thing, take this script, read it and come back to me. अब मुझे लगा कि अभी पढ़ना है, तो मैं बाहर रिसेप्शन पे बैठा, जहाँ वेटिंग रूम था, जब लोग आके बैठते थे प्यून्स वहाँ बैठा 3 घंटे के लिए. पूरा पढ़ लिया मैंने और मैं ऊपर गया. He's like, what are you still doing here? I said, अरे you told me to read it. You idiot, I told you to go home and read it. I said, I like the script, I read it, it's very interesting. Can I join? Can I somehow help? He's like, you can intern if you want. I said, yeah, of course, anything, you know, just to get started, then we'll figure out later. So that's how I started. 3 hours I sat in his driveway, and I read that first script of Dam Maro Dam that I became an assistant director. So physically intense, I don't think these guys, no one knows. I've never said it on camera or anything like that. I have 4 slip discs, and I got 4 slip discs at a very, very early age. When I was in college, तो कॉलेज नॉर्मली लेक्चर क्या 45-50 मिनट्स का होता है ना. आई couldn't sit on the college bench for 2 lectures back to back. I had that much pain. I was in bed rest for about 6-7 months at home, and after that, for me to get back, when the doctors had said कि अभी नहीं, I doubt you'll be able to ever run like you used to run, because I was an athlete in school. So I was very disappointed. But after that, Mard happened, yeah, and I did all my action myself, all the stunts. So that was a crazy time. I actually signed Mard in 2016. You all saw Mard only in 2019. So when we signed on to Mard, we were with Phantom, or for Phantom, disintegrated. And then we didn't have a studio. So the director called us up, both Radhika and me, and said, listen, if you get another offer, please go for it. I don't know what's happening with the film. And both of us at that point, we were like, sir, we are here, we are with you. Let's take this to different studios. We went to about 22 studios, after which RSVP said yes, probably like 8 months later. So 8 months ke liye, we were not sure if we are actually doing the film. And even while doing the film, 3 times I remember on set, people came and told us that they are going to shelf this film. कि ये कभी रिलीज ही नहीं होने वाली, बंद हो जाएगी. So with that agony to do the film was insane. But again, how did I prepare for the role? So this guy, has anyone seen मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता? किसने देखी है? हाँ, तो आप लोग जानते हो कि he was locked in his house till a very later age in his life. And he did not have social skills, कैसे लोगों से बात करना, and very innocent, but at the same time, he doesn't have any feelings per se, because he's locked in his house. तो jealousy नहीं हुई है, प्यार नहीं हुआ है, गुस्सा नहीं हुआ है, जो हुआ है उसके घर में ही होता है. तो he's never felt. So every time he feels a feeling, first time it's confusion, then it's anger because I've never felt this before, and then I have to react to it. So that had to be imbibed some way. Also physically this boy does not feel any pain. तो अगर मैं आपके ऊपर कुछ फेंकूंगा तो आप ये करोगे ना, या आप खुजली कर सकते हो ना शॉट के पहले टाइम पे, अरे मैं सोच रहा हूँ, पर ये सब तो कर ही नहीं सकता है. So I had to get rid of all that, and fortunately for me the film got postponed and delayed because we didn't have a producer. So I got to train 9 months in martial arts. So I used to train about 9-10 hours a day, 3-4 hours in the morning and then 3-4 hours in the evening. बस वही दिन था मेरा. And otherwise I would be with Vasan sir, trying understanding what this character is. Instead of reading the script 1,000 times and learning the dialogues or anything, my approach to it was understand who the character is, what he will do, what he does, what he thinks in situations that are not in the script. So then when the situation in the script comes out, it comes naturally for me to behave in that person's manner. Instead of thinking that मैं ये line पे ये word को ऐसे बोलूँगा और pause यहाँ लूँगा, none of that. It just has to come naturally in your flow of the person that you are. So I stopped speaking to everyone in my house for 3 months, and director से बात होती थी, मेरे trainer से बात होती थी और co-actor से बात होती थी. Other than that, for 3 months I didn't speak to anyone. Friends, family, सब लोग बहुत गुस्सा थे. But to get into that character, I needed it because Surya did not speak to anyone except his father and his grandfather. So he doesn't know how to speak to anyone, and he's scared of speaking to. अपन कैसे यार पापा और दादा के सामने बोलती बंद हो जाती है ना. तो that was a character I had to play. So then that's not me as a person. So I had to change that and become that for 3 months. So I didn't speak to anyone. In your spare time, obviously work on yourself. Your voice is extremely important. आपका control over your language is extremely important. Your confidence of being who you are and knowing who you are is extremely important. They cannot be dictated by what's happening in the society. कि आजकल ये वाला म्यूजिक इंटरेस्टिंग है तो मुझे भी ये वाला म्यूजिक अच्छा लगता है. नहीं, you like what you like. You have to be individual to yourself, and that's, I say, that's your superpower. There is nobody else who is you. So if you are true to yourself, people are going to like you. Like I always associate this with what are the best videos on the internet? Baby videos. Everyone likes baby videos, right? And they make you cry, they make you laugh, they make you emote, they give you goosebumps, everything with babies, right? Why? Because they don't give a shit about the camera. They're enjoying themselves in the moment. I think what is even more important and even a stronger trait for you to have is to be aware. Aware of who you are, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Once you evaluate that, then your decision making will be easier. It's heartbreaking. I don't want to ever say this to anybody, but I've heard it for about 10 years of my life to not get into this industry, that your hearts will be broken and things don't happen, and it's true. It's true. It took me many years. I started when I was 18. I signed my first film when I was 26. That released only when I was 29. I'm 31 and my second film has come out. I finished 4 films. My second film has only come out now. So there's nothing in your hands except your hard work and your effort, which has to be 100%. But at the same time, you have to secure yourselves, because 1 in a million people make this. नॉर्थ से ट्रेन भर भर के लोग रोज आते हैं एक्टर बनने के लिए, आपकी जगह लेने के लिए, राइट? सो द चांसेस ऑफ समवन बिकमिंग एन एक्टर इज वेरी ब्लीक. आई एम बीइंग फुली ऑनेस्ट हियर. ऑब्वियसली आई वांट यू टू ट्राई, बट गिव योरसेल्फ अ टाइम लिमिट कि मैं 2 साल के लिए या 3 साल के लिए, 6 महीने के लिए, जो भी है आपका, you will give 100%, and then if it doesn't happen, you will see, listen, I gave my 100%. This was not written for me, this was not my destiny, or this is, you convince yourself that bus, chapter closed, and then you go and make sure you lead the rest of your life happy. But when you're giving that 1 year or that time set, you have to give your 100%. क्योंकि if you go back and say, अरे मैं अगर ये करता था तो मेरा हो जाता था, that cannot be in your mind. There cannot be any what ifs. जब यहाँ हो आप 100% यहाँ हो. जब मैं कॉफ़ी पी रहा हूँ मैं 100% खाली कॉफ़ी का टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. जब मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ, आई एम ओनली कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन द फूड दैट आई एम हैविंग. व्हाइल आई एम विथ यू, आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट व्हाट स्क्रिप्ट्स आई हैव टू गो होम एंड रीड. आई एम ओनली हियर विथ यू. So being in that moment and understanding and being aware of yourself and understanding the limitations of the path that you have chosen. किसी ने आपको धक्का देके एक्टर तो नहीं बनाया ना. You have chosen this. And the only one who's going to get you through this is going to be you. So you have to do everything for yourself. No one else is going to do anything for you, number 1. Number 2, you have to realize that what is your limit.
It feels surreal to come back here to impart education rather than extract it. Nice. But yeah, it's always great to give back from some place or someone that you've learned so much from, and I'm just thank you for having me. I hope somewhere there's some clarity in their heads. I know when young budding actors come to acting classes or institutes, they're really confused and clouded with their judgment. And I hope I could make them see a clearer picture. But I enjoyed with them. They seem a fun, energetic batch, and I hope they achieve a lot.